So you can think of an organization as somewhere on a continuum in how sophisticated it is in using digital technologies. Sometimes we have digital information, sometimes they have digital tools. All the way at the extreme, we have an organization that's very mature in using digital technology. So we call that process of accelerating that development toward full digital maturity, we call that digital transformation. So people think of digital maturity in terms of the technologies, but it's more than that. There are basically 5 elements. You've got digital data infrastructure, which is how the data gets into the system. You have the data itself, which involves both the quality of the data, the volume, and the way that it's curated for usability. You have digital tools, people know what those are, obviously. And then you have digital skills, and that's broader than just operating the digital tools. There's ways of thinking and mindsets and so on. And then of course you have a digital strategy, which is used to govern all of this and make sure that you're aligning what you're doing on the technology side with your business objectives.